Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi. I am home from Florida. We had an amazing vacation, but real world is back, and that means I have to cook dinner for my family instead of eating out every night. While that was a real treat, I do look forward to having some more home-cooked, not carry-out meals. So let's get into the store, get the goods, and at the end, I'll share with you my meal plan. I'm getting some restaurant-style tortilla chips. My husband asked me to get these for salsa, $1.85. White bread, basically for toast or peanut butter and jellies, $1.29. I'm getting green onion and cilantro, 85 cents a piece for tacos. Yay, they have asparagus. They haven't had it the last few times. I'm gonna check it over really good though because that one looks nasty. It's $2.99. Unfortunately, it all looks pretty nasty, so I'm leaving it behind, which is a bummer because I was going to have it for dinner tonight and it sounded so good to me. I guess I will roast cauliflower instead. That sounds still pretty good. And that's $2.59. I'm going to get apples to make applesauce, $3.69. I need spinach. I'm making a spinach lasagna, $1.29. I'm getting 1 dozen eggs for $1.02. I need that for lasagna and for my dog. Gallon of milk, $2.61. This wasn't on the list, but my daughter called me as I was driving here requesting I add it. It's a miracle I remembered, but she wanted pineapple juice, $4.19. I am making lasagna this week, so I'm gonna get the ricotta cheese with whole milk, $2.39. And I'm also getting sour cream for when I make chili, $1.69. Speaking of chili, I need to get 4 of these tomato sauces at 43 cents a piece. I need 2 of the diced tomatoes at 87 cents a piece. A large can of pinto beans, $1.49. And 2 cans of dark red kidney beans at 76 cents each. My in-laws have a garden and are giving us peppers for the chili, which is nice among other vegetables. But I do need celery for the chili, $1.69. Mini avocados, $1.89. These ones look great. I'm gonna put this on top of my chili. Just like to have them. We're having tacos one night for dinner this week, and I need black beans as a side, 77 cents. My son has switched his favorite dipping dressing from being ranch to honey mustard, so I need more of that, $1.89. We're gonna have pizza one night this week. I'm going back to school. I thought it would be fun this weekend to have this with the pizza, $2.49. Like an end of summer celebration, basically. Oh goodness, fall has arrived here, which surprised me, but it does seem early. I'm a I love summer all day long gal, but I do like seeing fall stuff. It's fun. These are really cute. They're only $4.99. Cute baskets. I like these reversible signs. I've got your back. Oh, that's funny. And you want a piece of me? Yes, I do. I would love some pumpkin pie. They're only $3.99. They have bigger signs. They have little hedgehog gnomes, I guess. Wooden critters, or woodland critters. Little wreaths. Just cute stuff. None of which I need. It's pretty. Lots of different shelving items. Display. Oh, that's kind of cool. A grater. Teeth whitening kit. Interesting. Wrap dresses. Pull-on pants. Kind of like those. Ladies sneakers. Lined sandals. Only $12.99 for the shoes, $14.99 for the dress, $12.99 for the pants. High-waisted flare leggings, $11.99. Those are cute too. Oh goodness, the luxury pet bed. I feel like our store got that really late. It's on clearance for $49.99. That's so cute. A cat crinkle set that looks like a an Aldi snack. Red bag chicken, popcorn, adorable. Okay, I'm running low on my day and night cream, $3.79 a piece. And then my middle daughter asked me if I would get her day cream. She's starting to get some dry skin patches, so I'm just getting her this to have when she wants it. She doesn't use it daily at all. My daughter also asked me to get some toothbrushes, so I'm just getting these two, $2.69. Okay, I know I already got the pink lemonade version, but they have pink raspberry, pomegranate blueberry, and blood orange grapefruit. Those all look really good, but the hard thing with these is I think I think two of my kids would like this one of them would like that. So I'm gonna stick with pink lemonade because that's neutral, but these look really good. I spy 3 of my favorite waters, so I'm gonna grab all 3, 89 cents a piece. I really wanted to make lasagna tonight, but they don't have lasagna noodles, and it's been a long time since I've made it, so I don't know if that's like the thing is they don't carry them anymore. I'm gonna get angel hair for when I make chili this week, $1.89. You can put chili on it, or for those of my family members that don't like chili, they can just have this. But I guess I'm gonna have to get my lasagna noodles somewhere else. I do also need a jar of red sauce, $1.45 for this for my lasagna. Okay, my kids requested this last week of summer break, $3.59. Okay, so vegetable stock. I am going to share with you the recipe that I love to use to make chili, but I make a vegetarian instead, so I omit the meat and I use vegetable instead of beef broth, $1.45. I need more Parmesan, $2.89. No specific need, but we are running low on sugar in my pantry, $2.95. I make my lasagna and my chili vegetarian, but then I'm going to make pork sausage and ground beef on the side that I can add to it, or my non-vegetarians can, because I like meat, $2.29. I'm making waffles for dinner this week, and I'm going to have bacon on the side, $3.99. Okay, so to go with my lasagna and the chili, $4.69 for the beef. There's the dino nuggets. Oh, gluten-free pizza dough. That's pretty cool. I bet some people would be really interested in that. I haven't seen that before. There's wild chilled shrimp, creamy jalapeno stuffed shrimp, lots of different versions it looks like. Shrimp trio frozen desserts. If you're a shrimp lover, you'd love this cabinet. I'm not. Frozen Asian meals, Asian vegetables, mini wontons. I love those things. Spring rolls, shrimp rolls, beef dumplings, yum, and chicken dumplings. The price is way off on these. That's not even what it's showing, so I'm not sure what the price is. Mini empanadas. Let's see. Hash brown sticks. Let me see the price on those. Okay, hash brown sticks are $2.99. I was gonna get hash brown patties this week to go with the waffles, but I'll just get these. I know my kids will like them. $2.99. Breakfast pizzas, thin and crispy spinach and feta pizza, veggie skillet meals. Look pretty good. Sweet and spicy chickpea, yum. And cauliflower meal, okay. Kung Pao broccoli, yummy. Potato hash, frozen blueberries. Cotton candy grapes, frozen, yuck. That sounds so gross to me. I know a lot of people like that kind of stuff, but I don't. And that just sounds gross. I do not like the candy, cotton candy, period, but the grapes, still don't like them. Different ice creams. Okay, I need mozzarella for lasagna, $3.59. I'm getting thick cut medium cheddar for the chili, $2.69. And I'm getting Mexican style cheese because it's my kid's favorite, $2.89. And for tacos, I think I created monsters with the last box of these that my kids tried. They really love them, and they're a great addition to like a fruit, a vegetable. And then a few of these, they eat them for lunch, $6.39. Last week of school, they asked me to get them again. last week before school. I really love the Pacific Fruit Vineyards blueberry wine, and they don't have any. I haven't looked in a while, but it's not there. That sounded good to me with the lasagna tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna try another one. Guess I'll just go with the sweet red from Winking Owl. I think that'd be good with it still. They have Haribo, fun Pez dispensers, different Olive Garden items. This is in the Aldi Finds food aisle. The Sucker Punch spicy dill chips, yummy. These are yummy looking, great for lunch boxes, but not at $1.49 a piece. Lots of interesting items. This looks really good to me, Ivory barbecue sauce, but I feel like I'm the only one in my family that would try that. $5.48. My kids love fruit strips, and these look good. Spiced apple and pumpkin spice, $5.99. Okay, I wasn't gonna get anything for myself other than the wine, but I can't help it. Maple drizzled kettle corn, $2.29. That looks amazing. I'm getting it, and that's the last thing I'm getting. So here's my cart. Any guess on the total? Okay, my total is $107.17. I need to stop and get lasagna noodles so I can have lasagna tonight, but I should be pretty set for the week. Okay, I'm gonna get lasagna. Personally, I think the non-oven ready is not as good as regular lasagna noodles, so I'd rather boil them than save a little bit of time. $1.89. It feels like a slight miracle I left with only lasagna noodles, so it was only $1.89. Okay, so tonight we're having lasagna for dinner, and I'm gonna roast cauliflower. I'm gonna make homemade breadsticks. I just really felt like making a homemade meal, and this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna have chili. I make it vegetarian using a recipe linked below, but I 100% like the non-vegetarian version better. I just omit the meat and use vegetable broth instead. I also make spaghetti noodles so that whoever doesn't like chili can just have plain noodles, and the rest of us can put chili on spaghetti if you want, kind of Cincinnati style. You can top it with cheese, green onion, sour cream, whatever you like. I'm gonna make waffles. I make those homemade. I'm gonna have bacon, and my daughter wants me to make applesauce. We're gonna have out to eat pizza. That's gonna be like going back to school, and we were gonna do it Sunday night, but now we're going to my in-laws on Sunday night, so we're gonna do this Friday night, kind of a back to school end of summer celebration. Very simple. Pizza, probably watch a movie, have the sparkling lemonade. Again, we're going to Nan and Papa's, which are my in-laws, for my father-in-law's birthday dinner. I'm gonna make mashed potatoes to take there, but I already had everything I needed on hand to make that, except for the milk I got. We're gonna have tacos. I have frozen meat for that. Very simple, quick dinner. And then finally, we're gonna have leftovers. I know between lasagna and chili, at the very least, we're gonna have a lot of those left over. So we're gonna eat those. Whatever we have left, everyone can make their own dinner. And that's the plan for the week. If you wanna see how I make the Wendy's Copycat Chili, the meat version, you can check out this video right here. It's so good. Highly recommend it. But my vegetarians prefer the non-meat. So again, you can just omit the meat and the beef broth, but it's so much better with meat. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.